It's a faster reload time. Am I tripping? Somebody mentioned this and it makes a lot more sense. Epic's unvaulting and revaulting items weekly right now. They put in the flintlock, they took it out a week later, they put in the deagle, they took it out a week later, and now they have the rapid fire. As you guys know, everything in Fortnite is kind of connected. Like the whole unvaulting is connected to the 0 point. And because the 0 point is now unstable, and we actually have a video right here showing the 0 point in max graphics. I'll show you how it looks right now. Because it's unstable, because the 0 point is unstable, the vaulting system is probably also unstable. Right now, it's weekly, right? We're getting a new gun weekly. But maybe at a certain point, every day there's going to be a new gun being unvaulted. All right, guys. It's time. It's time to show off the skills of the rapid fire. Oh, I'm so excited. Season 3 loadout right there. We're heading to the 0 point. We're gonna take a closer look at it, but as I said, it's unstable. These rocks I showed earlier, these rocks were kind of like floating. I don't know if that's intentional, but like they're floating, and before they weren't. That's gotta be like a bug, I'm pretty sure. Oh my god, beautiful, beautiful gun. Ladies and gentlemen, you guys know laser beam is announced is icon creation. Fortnite meme creators and one of the largest YouTubers on the platform. Oh my god! Oh my god, man! And he's also having a tournament so that you can unlock his skin early, the laser beam and fresh cup, and it's got like very unique properties to it. So there's no fall damage. There's also a unique knockback version of laser beam weapon. So there's going to be a light knock pistol, which is going to be like a flint knock, but it's going to shoot you back way more than usual. You can do emotes to heal yourself and all kinds of other crazy stuff in his tournament. Event stun, event damage.